Here are 10 little-known facts about turtles. 1. Underestimated auditory perception. Although widely known for their keen vision and highly developed sense of smell, turtles possess an often underestimated auditory capability. These creatures can detect a wide range of sounds, particularly low-frequency ones that go unnoticed by many predators and even humans. This acute sense of hearing plays a crucial role in turtle survival, both in aquatic and terrestrial environments. In water, their ability to perceive low-frequency sounds helps alert them to the approach of other animals or changes in their surroundings. While on land, this auditory skill allows them to recognize signs of danger or feeding opportunities. Turtles' hearing, though subtle and often overlooked, is an essential tool for navigation and communication in the complex natural world they inhabit. 2. Crying turtles. On land, some species of turtles may give the impression of crying, with tears continuously streaming from their eyes. However, this apparent sadness is actually a fascinating biological mechanism. These tears are not a sign of pain or emotion, but rather an adaptive strategy to regulate the body's salt balance. Turtles that live in marine environments, where saltwater ingestion is inevitable, have specialized tear glands known as salt glands. These glands enable them to excrete the excess salt they ingest along with the seawater. The visible crying is actually the excretion of this accumulated salt, essential for keeping their bodies functioning properly and avoiding dehydration. This adaptation is vital for turtles' survival in otherwise inhospitable environments. Thus, what may appear as an emotional display is, in fact, a testament to the remarkable adaptability of these ancient reptiles to the diverse conditions they live in. 3. External and internal skeleton. Unlike most reptiles, turtles have a unique and fascinating skeletal structure that combines both external and internal elements. The shell, which is one of the most distinctive features of these creatures, is not just a protective carapace but an integral part of the turtle's skeleton. This shell is composed of over 50 bones that fuse together during the animal's development, including ribs, vertebrae, and other spinal bones. This fusion forms two main parts: the plastron, which covers the underside of the body, and the carapace, which protects the top. Contrary to what many might think, the shell is not a superficial or separate structure but a living component of the turtle's body, with nerve endings and blood vessels. This means that the shell can feel pain and is closely connected to the animal's overall health. Besides providing protection against predators and external elements, the shell also offers structural support, allowing turtles to carry the weight of their robust bodies. This unique combination of external and internal skeleton is an impressive example of evolutionary adaptation, enabling turtles to survive for millions of years, adapting to a variety of environments, from arid deserts to deep oceans. 4. Subaquatic breathing. Many aquatic turtle species possess a remarkable and lesser-known ability: the capacity to breathe efficiently even while submerged for long periods. This is possible thanks to a process known as cloacal respiration, which involves absorbing oxygen directly through the cloaca, a multi-purpose opening that serves both excretion and reproduction. Inside the cloaca, there are small structures called papillae, which are highly vascularized and allow for gas exchange with the surrounding water. This adaptation is extremely useful in aquatic environments, especially in cold waters or during winter when turtles may hibernate submerged for months. With this ability to extract oxygen from water, they can reduce the need to surface, conserving energy and avoiding predators. This form of respiration also helps turtles maintain a more aquatic lifestyle, allowing them to stay underwater for much longer periods than would be possible with traditional pulmonary breathing alone. This extraordinary evolutionary adaptation illustrates the impressive versatility of turtles and their ability to survive and thrive in a wide range of aquatic environments around the world. 5. Extreme age. The longevity of turtles has always been a subject of fascination and admiration, but none exemplifies this better than Jonathan, the giant Aldabra tortoise. Jonathan is not just a turtle but a true emblem of endurance and living history. At over 190 years old, he is recognized as the oldest land animal in the world, having lived through historical moments ranging from the Industrial Revolution to the digital age. Born around 1832, Jonathan is older than many modern countries, having been a silent witness to events that shaped the world as we know it. He arrived on the island of St. Helena in 1882, where he still resides, and has been a symbol of longevity and survival. Jonathan's impressive age not only provides a window into the distant past, but also highlights the extraordinary biology of giant tortoises, which have an incredibly slow metabolism and a unique ability for cellular regeneration, contributing to their longevity. While Jonathan no longer has the vision or smell of his younger years, his overall health remains stable, thanks to the care he receives. Jonathan's story is a testament to the durability and resilience of life, challenging our concepts of aging and offering a perspective on the wonders of nature and the power of time. 6. Navigation supervision. Sea turtles possess a navigational ability that defies human understanding. This extraordinary sense of direction allows them to undertake epic migrations across vast oceans, covering thousands of miles to return precisely to the same location where they were born to lay their eggs. This remarkable feat is possible due to turtles' ability to detect and use the Earth's magnetic field as a natural map. Each location on Earth has a unique magnetic signature, and sea turtles are capable of memorizing the magnetic field of their natal beach shortly after birth. Years later, after crossing oceans and facing numerous adversities, they use this magnetic memory to find their way back with impressive precision. In addition to their sensitivity to the magnetic field, it is believed that turtles also use environmental cues such as ocean currents, water temperature, and even the position of the sun to aid in navigation. This orientation ability is vital for the survival of the species as it allows them to return to specific beaches that provide ideal conditions for egg incubation. The accuracy with which sea turtles return to their birthplace is a phenomenon that has intrigued scientists for decades, and despite advances in technology and scientific understanding, the exact mechanics of this process remain largely a mystery. This seemingly supernatural navigational gift not only demonstrates the incredible adaptability and intelligence of sea turtles, but also underscores the fragility of these creatures' life cycles. With climate change and habitat degradation, many of the beaches where turtles return are threatened, putting the survival of future generations at risk. Thus, sea turtles' navigation ability is not only a remarkable natural feat, but also a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of preserving the ecosystems that support these wonderful sea travelers. 7. Temperature-dependent sex. One of the most intriguing and lesser-known aspects of turtle biology is the phenomenon of temperature-dependent sex determination, a unique mechanism that sets these reptiles apart from many other animals. During the critical incubation period of the eggs, the temperature of the nest plays a decisive role in determining the sex of the offspring. When temperatures are higher, typically above 29 degrees Celsius, the eggs tend to produce females. Conversely, lower temperatures, generally below 27 degrees Celsius, result in the birth of males. This temperature-dependent sex determination, TSD, is common among various reptiles but is particularly notable in turtles. This natural sex determination mechanism has profound implications for turtle population ecology and survival. In balanced natural environments, temperature variation between nests ensures a relatively stable ratio of males to females. However, with global temperatures rising due to climate change, there is an increasing risk of significantly more females being born than males, disrupting the sex ratio and threatening long-term population viability. In some areas, where temperatures are consistently high, there is already an observed predominance of female hatchlings, which could lead to a lack of males in the future, compromising reproduction and species continuity. Furthermore, the choice of nesting site by female turtles becomes even more critical, as the location and depth of nest can influence egg temperature and, consequently, the sex of the hatchlings. Turtles are adept strategists, but rapid and drastic environmental changes present additional challenges for these creatures that have survived for millions of years. Thus, the temperature-dependent sex determination phenomenon not only exemplifies the biological complexity of turtles, but also highlights the vulnerability of these animals in the face of climate change, reinforcing the urgent need for conservation measures to ensure that both males and females continue to be born, allowing these iconic species to survive for many future generations. 8. Variety of feeding habits. Turtles exhibit an impressive variety of feeding habits, which vary widely depending on species and the environment in which they live. This dietary diversity reflects the extraordinary adaptability of these creatures, which have evolved over millions of years to occupy a broad range of ecological niches. Some species, such as sea turtles, have highly specialized dietary preferences. For instance, the hawksbill turtle, known for its hook-shaped beak, is an agile predator that primarily feeds on sponges, preferring those that other species avoid due to their toxic properties. This specialized feeding habit not only sustains the turtle, but also plays a vital role in the balance of coral reef ecosystems by helping control sponge overgrowth. On the other hand, many terrestrial turtles are herbivores and have a diet based on a variety of plants, including grasses, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Galapagos tortoises, for example, are known for consuming large quantities of vegetation, which is essential for maintaining their energy and health given their impressive size. These turtles play a crucial role in seed dispersal and shaping the vegetation of their habitat, demonstrating how their feeding habits directly influence the ecosystem. In addition to herbivores and carnivores, there are also omnivorous species that have a more varied and flexible diet. Turtles like the painted turtle, common in North America, feed on both plants and small invertebrates, fish, and even carrion, depending on food availability. This dietary flexibility allows omnivorous turtles to thrive in a variety of environments, from rivers and lakes to marshes and ponds. Overall, the diversity in feeding habits among turtles reflects their adaptability and the complex relationships they maintain with their environments. From sea to land, these dietary strategies illustrate the turtles' role in maintaining ecological balance and the importance of preserving their diverse habitats to support their continued survival. 9. Unique reproductive behavior. Turtles exhibit a range of fascinating and unique reproductive behaviors that reflect their evolutionary adaptations and the challenges of their respective environments. One remarkable aspect of turtle reproduction is the phenomenon of nest site fidelity, where female turtles return to the exact beach where they were born to lay their eggs. This instinctual behavior ensures that hatchlings have the best chance of survival, as the natal beach often provides the optimal conditions for incubation and protection from predators. Additionally, some turtle species, like the leatherback sea turtle, display a behavior known as nest site choice, where females choose nesting sites with specific characteristics that will maximize their offspring's chances of survival. Leatherbacks, for instance, select nesting sites based on factors such as sand temperature and moisture levels, which influence the development of their eggs. This careful selection process demonstrates the turtle's remarkable ability to assess their environment and make decisions that enhance reproductive success. Another intriguing reproductive strategy is the phenomenon of egg relocation, observed in some turtle species, where females move their eggs from one location to another within the nest site to optimize incubation conditions. This behavior allows the eggs to benefit from more favorable temperature and moisture levels, further increasing the likelihood of successful hatching. Furthermore, the parental care exhibited by some turtle species is worth noting. While most turtles do not provide direct care to their offspring after laying eggs, some freshwater turtle species, such as the painted turtle, engage in nest protection by covering their eggs with vegetation and soil to shield them from predators and environmental extremes. Overall, the unique reproductive behaviors of turtles reflect their evolutionary adaptations and the complex interplay between their biology and environment. These behaviors highlight the importance of conserving nesting habitats and protecting the delicate balance of natural processes that support turtle reproduction and survival. 10. Longevity of metabolism. One of the most remarkable secrets behind the incredible longevity of turtles lies in their exceptionally slow metabolism. This reduced metabolic rate is a biological trait that plays a crucial role not only in extending their lifespan, but also in their ability to withstand periods of food scarcity and other environmental challenges. With a metabolism that operates slowly and efficiently, turtles can conserve energy in an unparalleled way, allowing their bodily functions to continue at a steady pace even under adverse conditions. This means that a turtle can survive for weeks, months, or even years with minimal resources, an adaptation that proves vital in habitats where food can be seasonal or scarce. This slow metabolism is also closely tied to turtles' ability to live remarkably long lives, often surpassing 100 years. The energy that would be used in other species for rapid growth or frequent reproduction is, in turtles, redirected towards cellular maintenance and repair, contributing to an extended lifespan. This also means that turtles age differently compared to other animals, with cellular wear and tear occurring at a much slower rate, which delays the effects of aging. The ability to survive extended periods without food, provided by this slow metabolism, is particularly impressive. During times of food scarcity, turtles can further reduce their metabolic activities, entering a state of near dormancy. During this period, their energy needs are minimized, allowing them to survive in conditions where other species might succumb. This ability is especially important for turtles living in arid regions or those that need to cross long migration periods where food availability can be unpredictable. Furthermore, the slow metabolism of turtles also translates into a lower reproductive rate, which paradoxically contributes to their longevity. By investing less energy in reproduction and more in survival, turtles increase their chances of reaching advanced ages, ensuring that when they finally reproduce, they can do so under optimal conditions. In summary, the slow metabolism of turtles is an evolutionary adaptation that not only sustains their longevity, but also grants them extraordinary resilience. This mechanism allows them to face the challenges of their natural environment with a patience and endurance that few other species can match, making them true examples of survival and longevity in the animal kingdom. Turtles demonstrate an impressive ability to recognize that reveals a level of intelligence often underestimated. Various studies and practical observations have shown that many turtles, both marine and terrestrial, are capable of identifying and remembering their human caregivers. This recognition goes beyond mere association with feeding. These creatures can learn to recognize voices, faces, and even specific behaviors of people who interact with them regularly. For instance, turtles kept in captivity or conservation environments often develop a special bond with those who care for them. They may approach when they hear their name being called or when they spot a familiar person, displaying a recognition behavior that suggests long-term memory and a capacity to learn from experience. This level of interaction is not merely a conditioned response to the expectation of food, but a demonstration that turtles have a more complex understanding of their social and environmental relationships. In addition to recognizing caregivers, some turtles also exhibit behaviors indicating remarkable spatial memory. They may remember specific locations and routines associated with those locations, such as the location of feeding areas or nesting sites. This ability is vital for their survival, especially in natural environments where navigation and locating resources are essential for well-being. Recognition of human caregivers is often evidenced by behaviors such as actively approaching when someone comes near the area where the turtle is, showing signs of excitement or calmness upon seeing a specific caregiver, and even responding to commands or gestures. These behaviors indicate that, in addition to possessing impressive memory, turtles also have the ability to form bonds and develop complex social relationships with humans. These cognitive and behavioral skills highlight the intelligence of turtles, challenging the traditional view that these creatures are merely simple and instinctive animals. By recognizing people and forming connections, turtles display an emotional and cognitive depth that adds a new dimension to our understanding of these remarkable reptiles. The ability to recognize also emphasizes the importance of careful and respectful treatment of turtles, acknowledging their emotional and intellectual needs and fostering a more enriching and conscious interaction with these incredible animals. Did you know that turtles have incredible cognitive and behavioral skills that are often underestimated? From their impressive longevity to their recognition of human caregivers, these reptiles have much more to offer than we might imagine. Want to learn more about these fascinating creatures and what makes each one unique? Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and don't miss any videos about turtle life and other amazing aspects of the animal kingdom. Join us on the journey to explore and preserve wildlife. Comment below and share your experiences or questions about turtles. Let's delve deeper into our knowledge and celebrate the wonder of wildlife together. Subscribe now and come discover the extraordinary world of turtles with us.